Hello guys, welcome to AppGeeker channel. Well, unfortunately, you forget iPhone passcode or your iPhone is disabled. This video is about a tutorial of how to unlock your iPhone. Why is your iPhone stuck on disabled screen? Obviously, the screen appears after too many incorrect passcode attempts. And if you enter the wrong passcode 5 times or more to the iPhone like this, the screen should be locked, saying iPhone is disabled. So I'm going to show you the 2 ways to unlock the iPhone and fix iPhone is disabled message. One is using the efficient iPhone unlocker, and another method is to fix with iTunes or Finder. Before the process, I should clarify one thing that you have to know. Fixing a disabled iPhone is a restoring process. It will erase your data and settings on your phone, and if you don't have a backup in place, you cannot restore data. This is why always keeping an iTunes backup or an iCloud backup is important. Now let's get started. The first method is to use iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker.com. It's a smart, handy tool that's worth trying if your iPhone gets stuck on disabled screen. We have a download link in the description below. It uses the advanced techniques to unlock the device by detecting it and erasing passcode in a quick manner. It's easy to use, and you just need a Mac or PC, an original USB Lightning cable, and a stable internet connection on your computer. After you install the software, open it, click White Passcode, and click Start button. Then grab the USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Most often, the software detects the device in a few seconds. If not, you need to click the device connected but not recognized link and follow the on-screen instruction to put your iPhone into recovery mode using button combination. Keep in mind that the button sequence is varied from device model. It's not difficult to do that, and we have a link in the curve above or in the description below. Once your iPhone is connected successfully, select the information of your iPhone from the drop-down menu, then click Start button. The software will download the latest version of your locked iPhone. This takes some time to finish depending on your internet speed, so we will fast forward the video here. When that's done, confirm the iPhone unlocking process. Enter 0000 in the box and click Unlock button. You can monitor the process through the progress bar on the software screen. We will also fast forward the video. Now your iPhone will reboot with a welcome screen. Set up the device. Select your language, country, Wi-Fi. In the app and data screen, choose Restore from iTunes Backup or Restore from iCloud Backup in order to restore your iPhone data to the state before you forgot the iPhone passcode. The second method you can take when iPhone is stuck on disabled screen is restore your iPhone via iTunes or Finder. Of course, this will erase your data, and it's not possible to get better files unless you have a backup. To unlock iPhone, you need to put the device into the DFU mode or recovery mode. In this video, I will show you the recovery mode restore process. If you would like to enter the DFU mode, check out our video guide in the curve above or in the description below. The first thing is to make sure you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your Mac or PC. If you are using Mac OS Catalina or later, you have to use Finder to complete the whole process. Now turn off your iPhone with the lock screen. I have an iPhone 6s, so I press and hold the power button until the slider appears. Then drag the slider to power it off. Next, hold down home button and connect it to the computer using the original USB cable. Keep holding the home button, and once the recovery mode screen appears, release the home button. Now come back to your computer. Finder or iTunes detects your phone and opens automatically with the options to update or restore. Click on Restore and then click Restore and Update, and agree the license and terms to begin the process. Your computer begins downloading the iOS firmware for your phone. When you see your iPhone has been restored to factory settings and is restarting message, click OK. Wait for your device to restart and set it up. So that's all about how to fix an iPhone screen that's disabled. Please give a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, or go to AppGeeker.com if you want to see more useful iPhone tips. Feel free to leave your comment below. See you next video.